Hello, welcome to my channel. For today I'm doing the transformation video. As I said, I will put the previous video in the corner right up of the screen and I will show you this design that I did in my last video. I don't like it. These colors are not resonating with me. And today I will do change. If you like my video, please follow, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know when I'm posting new videos. This is the design. I don't like this. The thermal color is very nice, it's very okay, but colors are not matching to each other. It's just not resonating with me. So I like this lila. I want to use this light purple, and I will use the same color cube from Modelones. This is the perfect macaron. I believe in my previous videos, I was using jelly bean, crazy jelly bean, and now I'm using this palette. I like it a lot. This solid gel is amazing. The colors are just amazing, and the texture is very easy to lay it out and very thin. You can put 2-3 layers and the nail, it will not look bumpy. So what I did, I just use drill machine. I removed the first layer, the color, and now I'm placing this very light purple. And I place 2 coats. Each coat I'm curing it for 30 seconds. I believe it's looking much better. I like it. It's so girlish, this design. And goes well with this length of nails. The other color, it was really not for this length. Sometimes it's happening that colors are perfect for longer nails and less colors are perfect for shorter nails or short nails. I place only 2 coats of this color are enough. I don't need to place 3 coats. On some colors I have to place 3 coats from this solid gel, I'm saying. Every solid gel I think is coming with a brush as well, which is very good. It's a gel brush that you can maintain it very well by removing the color with isopropyl alcohol, and after that just dipping it in a little bit of base gel, removing the excess and closing the cap. Do not cure it. If you are letting the brush open, any rays of sun that are coming inside through window or through anything will cure that gel, so the brush will be ruined in time. After curing it for 30 seconds, each layer I'm applying top coat. This is M-Share brand, this is from AliExpress. And I cure it for 60 seconds. This is the final look. This is a very short video. I like it much more. And if you like this video, just give a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you will know when I'm posting new videos. I feel this color match my size of nails now, the length of nails that I have, and it's very pretty. The combination, I like it, this pink purple with light pink, light purple is very nice. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.